Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Jyotisha. Today my video is going to be about the topic generative AI. And at last I'll also be explaining about the generative AI tool, that is ChatGPT. First of all, generative AI is a type of artificial intelligence that can create or generate new content based on the patterns and data that it has learned from. Generative AI is used in variety of industries including art, music and gaming. Firstly, coming to the field of art, with generative AI, artists can create different types of images that they themselves would have not been able to create. And for example, based upon the data given by the artist, it can create unique images that feels like something created by a human artist. An example in the field of art using generative AI is the Artificial Intelligence Creative Adversarial Network by Rutgers University, which creates abstract art. And next, coming to the field of music, with generative AI, musicians can create unique and new songs and sounds that feels like something natural. Like it doesn't feel like created by some machine. It feels so natural that any human would have created it. And it develops new songs and harmonies based upon the musician's input. For example, Magenta, a Google project which gives us the output for new songs and new sounds based upon the our input, like user input. And next, coming finally to the field of gaming, game developers use artificial intelligence, that is generative AI, to create new characters that adapt to the player's strategy and movements. And an example in this field is No Man's Sky. It is a space exploration game which uses generative AI and creates new planets and creatures. So it will be so interesting to play games created by the GAI. With GAI, the possibilities are endless. And now, coming to the generative AI tool, I am going to explain about ChatGPT. So, what is ChatGPT? ChatGPT uses generative AI, that is, it also uses artificial intelligence which interacts with you in a chatting mode. Like, you can not only ask simple questions, you can also ask complex questions to ChatGPT and it finds answer for you. So many software engineers and developers are using ChatGPT to find programs for their project and also for debugging their code. And it can also write a novel for you, it can tell a joke for you, it can tell a story for you. And also, it not only coming to main exams like MBA exam and some exams like most difficult exam, ChatGPT has also passed these exams and it has passed a medical exam to get the medical license. So you can know that it is so intelligent to answer most of the difficult questions. Coming to the next important point is the Google, the largest search engine, has also provided a Chrome extension for ChatGPT so that you can use it according to your comfort and your needs. So this is about generative AI that I have learned from. And so subscribe to my channel and support me. Thank you.